How to do bicycle crunches. Step-by-step tutorial. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. Bicycle crunches are a fantastic exercise for strengthening your core and sculpting those abs. Here's how to do them correctly. Lie down. Start by lying flat on your back on an exercise mat. Keep your lower back pressed into the floor to engage your core muscles. Hand positioning. Place your hands gently behind your head. Without pulling on your neck, your elbows should be out to the sides. Leg positioning. Lift your legs off the ground and bend your knees at a 90-degree angle. This is the starting position. Crunching motion. Simultaneously lift your shoulders off the ground while bringing your right elbow towards your left knee. At the same time, straighten your right leg, keeping it elevated above the ground. Switch sides. Return to the starting position and then repeat the motion. This time bringing your left elbow towards your right knee while straightening your left leg. Alternate. Continue alternating sides in a fluid, cycling motion. Focus on engaging your core muscles throughout the exercise. Breathing. Exhale as you crunch and inhale as you return to the starting position. Repetition. Aim for 10 to 15 repetitions on each side to complete a set. Gradually increase the number of sets as you get stronger. Remember, proper form is crucial for effectiveness and to prevent strain. Incorporate bicycle crunches into your regular workout routine to see improvements in core strength and definition over time.